To rinse or not to rinse, that is the question. It's a dilemma that has puzzled many home cooks and even some professional chefs. The act of rinsing salmon before cooking has sparked debates in kitchens around the world. Salmon. It's a versatile fish, packed with flavor and nutrients. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, it's a favorite for those seeking a healthy and delicious meal. Whether grilled, baked, or pan-seared, salmon can be the star of any dish. But before you get to the cooking part, there's a crucial step that many ponder over. But a simple question plagues many home cooks. Should you rinse salmon before cooking? This question might seem trivial, but it can significantly impact the texture and taste of your final dish. Some argue that rinsing can remove unwanted residues, while others believe it can wash away the natural flavors. It's a debate with valid points on both sides. Let's dive in. On one hand, rinsing can help remove any surface bacteria or contaminants that might be present. This is particularly important if you're unsure about the cleanliness of the fish. On the other hand, some experts argue that rinsing can spread bacteria around your kitchen, potentially causing more harm than good. Some folks swear by a quick rinse, while others find it unnecessary. Those in favor of rinsing believe it helps in cleaning the fish, making it safer to eat. They argue that a quick rinse under cold water can remove any slime or scales that might be left on the fish. However, those against rinsing argue that it can dilute the flavor and make the fish too watery. The truth is, there's no black and white answer. The decision to rinse or not to rinse often comes down to personal preference and the specific circumstances. For instance, if you trust the source of your salmon and it's already well cleaned, you might skip the rinse. But if you're unsure about its cleanliness, a quick rinse might give you peace of mind. Your decision depends on factors like the salmon's condition and your personal preference. If the fish looks clean and fresh, you might not need to rinse it. However, if you notice any residue or if the fish has a strong odor, a quick rinse could be beneficial. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Whether you choose to rinse or not, the key is to handle the fish with care and cook it to perfection. Happy cooking! The USDA recommends against rinsing raw fish, including salmon. This might come as a surprise to many home cooks who believe that rinsing fish under running water is a necessary step to clean it before cooking. However, the USDA has strong reasons for this recommendation. Their reasoning? Rinsing doesn't effectively kill bacteria. In fact, the bacteria present on the surface of raw fish are not easily washed away by water. Instead, they can cling to the fish and even multiply if the conditions are right. In fact, it can spread bacteria around your sink and kitchen, increasing the risk of cross-contamination. When you rinse raw fish, the water can splash and carry bacteria to other surfaces, utensils, and even other foods. This can create a hazardous environment in your kitchen, making it easier for harmful bacteria to spread and potentially cause foodborne illnesses. The most crucial step in ensuring food safety is cooking salmon to the right temperature. Cooking fish properly is the best way to kill any bacteria that might be present. The USDA recommends cooking salmon to an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures that the fish is safe to eat and has reached a temperature that will kill harmful bacteria. A good thermometer is your best friend here. Using a digital food thermometer can help you accurately measure the internal temperature of the fish, ensuring that it is cooked thoroughly. This is especially important for thicker cuts of fish, where the outside might look done, but the inside could still be undercooked. Don't rely on guesswork when it comes to food safety. Guessing whether your fish is cooked based on its color or texture can be risky. Instead, use a thermometer to be certain. This simple tool can make a big difference in keeping your meals safe and delicious. Remember, proper cooking is the key to enjoying fish safely. While rinsing isn't necessary for food safety, it can be an important step for those who are particular about the quality and presentation of their dishes. Some find it beneficial for removing scales or slime that might be left on the fish. These elements, while not harmful, can be unappealing to some diners. These don't pose health risks, but can affect the texture and flavor of your cooked salmon. A clean fillet ensures a more pleasant dining experience, with a smoother texture and a more refined taste. If you choose to rinse, do it carefully. Use a gentle stream of cold water to avoid damaging the delicate flesh of the salmon. After rinsing, it's crucial to pat the salmon dry with paper towels. This step helps to remove excess moisture, which can interfere with the cooking process, leading to a better sear and more flavorful result. Sanitize your sink and surrounding area thoroughly afterward. This prevents any potential cross-contamination from raw fish, ensuring your kitchen remains a safe and clean environment for preparing meals. Proper knife technique is also essential when preparing salmon. A sharp knife ensures clean cuts, preserving the integrity of the fillet and enhancing the presentation of your dish. Seasoning your salmon with a variety of herbs and spices can elevate its flavor profile. Experiment with different combinations to find what best complements the natural taste of the fish. Cooking techniques also play a significant role in the final outcome. Whether you grill, bake, or pan-sear your salmon, each method brings out different flavors and textures. Ultimately, the care you take in preparing your salmon, from rinsing and drying to seasoning and cooking, can make a substantial difference in the quality of your meal. Enjoy the process and savor the delicious results. Safe handling starts from the moment you buy your salmon. Choose reputable fishmongers or grocery stores. Look for fresh, brightly colored salmon with a mild scent. Once home, store salmon properly. Keep it refrigerated at 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below. Ideally, use it within 2 days of purchase. For longer storage, wrap tightly and freeze for up to 3 months. No matter how you prep your salmon, cooking it to the correct temperature is non-negotiable. The FDA recommends 145 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. An instant read thermometer is invaluable for checking doneness. Properly cooked salmon will be opaque and flake easily with a fork. Undercooked salmon can harbor harmful bacteria, while overcooked salmon loses its moisture and flavor. So should you rinse your salmon? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. If you're concerned about bacteria, skip the rinse and focus on proper cooking. If you prefer to remove scales or slime, rinse cautiously and prioritize sanitation. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your comfort level and preferences. Rinsing aside, other factors impact your salmon's flavor. Patting it dry before cooking removes excess moisture, promoting better browning. Marinades add flavor and can help tenderize the fish. Experiment with different cooking methods like baking, grilling, or pan-searing to find your favorite. Don't be afraid to try new seasonings and flavor combinations. Armed with knowledge and a dash of confidence, you can enjoy salmon without worry. Whether you rinse or not, prioritize safe handling and proper cooking. Remember, the most important ingredient in any recipe is enjoying the process and the delicious results. Now go forth and cook some amazing salmon.